we're Chris and Danielle from the Split Farm, and welcome to our channel where we recently bought 10 acres of land and we're looking to turn into the homestead of our dreams, and we're taking you guys along for the journey. So let's get started and show you guys what we're working on. It all began with clearing our land, making trees fall that were dead for years. Then we moved inside the house, making renovations and changes, and let me tell you, it was hard, but we've loved every single moment, teaching you guys along the way, from getting baby chickens to getting meat rabbits. We've really had such a great adventure, and we're building more and more each day. A lot of the work that we've been doing is making sure that our land is ready for the spring, which is now, and we can actually start farming on it. Our land was super wet and filled with forests, so we've been doing a lot of work to turn around the land and make it so that it's ready. Currently, we have 4 rabbits, 30 chickens, egg layers and meat, 2 dogs, and we have so many more animals coming along the way. We've already ordered 30 quail as well as 30 more chickens. So poultry and rabbits are our biggest amount of livestock right now, but we have dreams for so much more. We have a few extra stalls in this barn that I'm standing in right now, and we want to add goats, pigs, lambs. Honestly, the sky's the limit right now, and we're still trying to figure out exactly what we want to add, but we're definitely going to be sharing this along in our journey. Now, something else that's really important to what we've been doing at the Split Farm is trying to do everything debt-free. And let me tell you, it's not easy, but with a little bit of elbow grease and a lot of phone calls, you're able to do a lot of things at a low cost. Some of the things that we've been able to do is repurpose some of the things that's already on our land, like this barn, although it's a bit dilapidated. We've been able to put in a few pieces of wood and rocks, and we've also been able to call the town and see what they can offer. Our town offers things like topsoil, mulch, and a bunch of more things that you can start to use, as well as Facebook Marketplace groups for cheaper supplies, and we're looking to build so much more. So you'll definitely want to check out what we're doing to live a low-cost, debt-free homestead by not going above our means and using the money that we actually have, as well as trying to get some money out of our homestead. And we do want to start selling some goods, being able to sell eggs, being able to sell some of the offspring of our rabbits so that we can actually start to use that money to put back into our homestead.
Whether you're starting a homestead that's large, small, or just a garden in your backyard, make sure to take a little bit of time away from working on your projects to just enjoy nature in your life. And we do that with our little trail that we made for the dogs. So let's go take a walk.
Now, we're not going to lie to you and tell you that homesteading is easy, because by any means is it easy. There are so many days that are super hard, and we really try to make it work within our schedules. But moments like this are what makes you realize that it's all worth it. Our goals for starting Split Farm have been twofold. We want to be more self-sufficient and create a smaller carbon footprint. And we're doing that through all of the things that you've seen today, as well as much more. And we want to take you guys along for the journey. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys every week, Wednesday and Sunday, to have you guys along for the journey through our trials, our tribulations, and everything that we've learned along the way. Bye.
Is this thing working?
Mm-hmm.
All right. We're not filming Chris this whole time. That's not happening.
More self-sufficient.
I'll tell you.
Self-sufficient.
Self-sufficient. Yeah.
Zoom in the pup cam. Paige, why do you want to live on Split Arrow Farm?
So I can chase deer nonstop. Fight foxes. It's my giant dog right here.
Giant lap
I wanted a
dog.
100-pound dog, and we got a little baby lap dog. And the second one we got was supposed to be a 50, 60-pound dog. Lap dog also.
Lap dog number 2.
Ridiculous.